Hey everyone, I'm back. I'm going to do a dirty pour, controlled pour. This canvas, I believe, is a 12 by 16. And I'm going to use 3 cups, not full, because we won't need that much paint. But I'm using white. Craft Mart is Seal Miss Pearl. Artist Loft Aqua. Artist Loft Turquoise, Artist Loft Light Blue. This is a Lucas paint called Cyan, and also my standby. This is actually my Artscape paint. It comes in jars that you get on Amazon, and that is a phthalo blue. So I wanted to use that one up. So I'm going to start with white. This is just a leftover from a mix yesterday, so I want to use this little bottle up. Let me move the canvas and you can watch me pour. So I'm just covering the bottom with white. And I'm going to start from dark to light. I'm going to mix it up a little bit. So that's our phthalo blue. And we're going to go right ahead with, I think I'm going to go with the light blue now. I like to do light dark, because they kind of blend together better. And then we'll do the cyan. A little bit of white to break up the blues. I'm going to go in with the turquoise. And then the aqua. The Sea Miss Pearl. A little bit of white. Cup looks pretty already. I don't have a lot of this left, so come on, one more cup. That's good. Yay! I like when they're empty because I get to make more. Okay, light blue, cyan, and just a dab of white. I'm not going to put any more paint in after this. Well, maybe I'll do the turquoise because I do want the turquoise in there. There's not a lot of that left either. Good enough. Right? Good enough. Okay. So I did spray the cups with the WD-40 before, and I did not rub it in. It will create a few small cells. I just like to blend a little bit here, so when I pour, it's not all one color. Okay. So I'm going to start on this corner here. Ooh, that phthalo blue is pretty. Park that cup right there for a second. So the nice thing with a controlled pour, you can decide where your colors are going to go. Because I already know that it'll start out like that, so I can bring that somewhere else and start it there. So what I'm going to do is start here and come in and end up back up here. Got a A little lacing going on. All my paints have treadmill silicone in them. So like a bottle this size has 3 drops. A cup that would be this size, I'd put 2 drops. I'm not using as much silicone as I used to. This cup poured totally different than the first 2. And that's fine. So let it set for a second. And I'm going to go ahead and torch the air bubbles. Not worried about bringing any cells up yet. Okay. So now I already know I don't want this, so I'm going to come this way first. But I want to move that paint around a little bit to blend it together. So I'm going to go right down here to this corner too. Even though I love that white right there. And bring it back up to the middle. And I'm going to head over here. It's very important when you're pouring too to make sure that all your paints are the same consistency so you don't get zigzagging going on. I mix all mine the same, so when you're using different brands though, it's a little difficult because some thin down with the Floetrol more than others do. And I'll explain that in an upcoming video with the Arteza review. I noticed a big difference when adding the Floetrol, so I'll cover that with that video. I don't want to get y'all confused now. So everything looks good over on that side, so let's get this side. Okay, I kind of like that green like that. That's kind of cool. I'm still not digging that, so I still want to see if I can bring that down. Okay, I'm going to end up losing that lacing, and I don't want to lose that lacing. I don't think I have a choice. Okay. All right, I'm going to leave it alone right there. Right there. I'm glad I didn't put more white in there because then we would have had too much white. We have a great radiating color. Radiant, that's what I want. Radiant. Going from different shades there to the green. Almost a rainbow effect, so it's kind of cool. I'm going to go ahead and torch. And I don't even care if I get more cells because I think that's kind of cool. I'm about 5 inches away from the canvas. And I don't stay in one place too long because you'll burn your paint. And if you're new to acrylic pouring, you don't have to torch it. A lot of these cells will come up on their own. My paintings change so much within an hour of pouring. We got all the air bubbles out. They're like everywhere. Okay. Looks good to me. So if you're new to my channel, click subscribe below. Click on the bell next to the subscribe button and you'll be notified when I upload my next video. Click like and share. Oh, I see where I hit that spot there. Almost started another fire. Leave a comment. Join me on Facebook at Christina Welch Art. And also my Etsy shop is Christina Welch Art. You can check out what I have for sale there. I have jewelry and beads and a few paintings. More to come. Let me go ahead and give you guys a close-up. A lot of little stuff going on. That will change. If you can see that patch right there, that will totally change too. Lots of pretty turquoise in there. It's a very pretty painting. Alright guys, I will keep you posted with dried results on Christina Welch Art. If you're there, be sure to check out my resin table. It came out beautiful. And I will see you guys on the next video. Thank you. Have a good day. Bye now.